Good morning everyone, Zhao Shang Hao. It is Christmas Day here in Guiyang. And I'm gonna take you guys around with me and show you how I'm gonna celebrate. We're gonna stop off at the gym first because I wanna try and pre-work off some of that holiday food I'm gonna eat later today. So let's go! So I'm just walking to the gym now. I live in Future Arc, which is sort of a newer part of Guiyang. And my gym's about 20 minutes away, walk from my home, so not far. I want to show you sort of how Guiyang is on Christmas morning. For most people it's just another normal day. Just wanted to stop and show you these people in the square. It's very common all over China, and even though it's Christmas Day, it's not going to stop. Gym, back home and showered, and I'm now off to go get my haircut because, well, it's Christmas and I feel like treating myself, and also in 4 days time I'm flying off to Sanya to spend New Year's, and I want to try and look my best. Haircut done, now to go home and rest a little bit before meeting everyone for our feast tonight. A couple of hours have passed since I got my haircut. I've finished relaxing, I've finished wrapping my presents. I've got 2 boxes here, or 2 bags, one for Grace, one for my friend Miriam. I'm just gonna put on my coat and then head out to go meet them. Hello Grace, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Are you excited to open your presents?
Yes, are you, Harry?
I am. You've told me a lot about what you've got me. Or not a lot, but you've told me I'll enjoy it. So I'm very intrigued. Where are we going?
We're going to the Hilton to have a buffet dinner for Christmas.
Yes, we are. So it's just me and Grace at the moment, and Miriam's gonna meet us there along with another friend. So let's check back in when we get there. Yeah.
You get the little prize you also won.
Grace, this is too much. I mean, if this is what I think it is, Grace, this is too much. I mean, I love it, but this is honestly too much.
I knew it!
Now the end of the day, I'm back home, I am tired, I am full, I got loads of presents filled with love, and I am ready to shower and go to bed. Until next time, bye bye.